Hello folks, how are you doing? This is RULDS 2008 coming to you with another fun review. Yep, I bought myself a little vacuum cleaner for this small apartment I have. And I looked on Amazon, and I came up with something really cool. It's a Deik, D-I-E-K, and what it is a vacuum that converts into a small vacuum, and basically it's totally portable, meaning that you can basically fold this thing and take this thing apart without nothing basically happening to it. So everything works on a basically a lever system. And what you do is you basically lift up on the lever and fold it down, and basically it stores away. And it's got a couple lever systems that activate here. This, for one, you can take out this guy. This guy comes off. Let's grab him. There's a lever right on the side that you push and pull out, and this becomes now a smaller vacuum. Basically, you could suck up things in the corner, and basically you can put it right back into this unit, and it becomes a bigger vacuum. And this basically goes in like that, and there you have it. The Deik operates off of a 12-volt system, and once everything is connected, the rollers basically work as well, and cleaning your carpets. And it comes with a extra filter, and it comes with a little special corner system, so where you can basically get into the corners really good. So I'm gonna turn it around here and give you an example what the Deik does to this little small room. You just turn that thing on using the lever right here, and basically you vacuum. You vacuum normally as if you were to use any type of vacuum system. You want to make sure you charge the battery and stuff. I'll show you how to do that. But basically, Deik is a modular vacuum system. Very portable. It's very portable, and a very stable system. So if you want to charge it, there's a little charging station right here. And how that happens is you grab the vacuum, and he sits inside there, and he charges. You see the lights come on charging the unit. So this charging stand helps the vacuum sit upright. So I'll take the guy off the unit, and I'll show you that the vacuum is setting upright without anyone holding it. It's because there is a stand that down there that it's charging on. So it just goes onto the stand like so, and the charging stand will charge the unit. I'm saying so. You see the unit charging now. So this helps that, you know, you can put it away and have it in a fine location, a spot where you would pick around the house, or like a utility closet with a power outlet. So basically, that is the Deik, D-E-I-K, vacuum. It's $109. They do have a couple of vacuums that I have not tried yet, that are probably a lot more powerful than the Deik, or this version of the Deik. But basically, oops, you guys took a tumble. Oops, you guys took a tumble. That's fine. Are you guys okay? Okay, so basically that's the Deik. This is RULDS 2008 with your review of the modular, portable, very portable vacuum system, and the suction on it is really, really good, especially when it's charged. So you want to make sure this thing is fully charged before you start using it. I used it on 2 bars and it still sucks up things. You take it out to your car, you do whatever you got to do, it will go anywhere you want it to go. That's the importance of this vacuum, is it's very portable. Take it wherever you want to take it, and it works the same. It works the same. It's got almost the same power as a regular conventional vacuum cleaner, and I recommend it to anybody that needs something very portable and something that is going to work like a conventional vacuum cleaning system. This is RULDS 2008, and I'll see you later.